Hello everyone, I am Bhanu. I would like to share my interview experience for the new IIMs. Now there are two stages of the interview process. One is the essay writing, the other is the personal interview. So first, when you enter the venue, you are made to write an essay. The topic given to me was who is responsible for the dilapidated state of monuments in our country. Now there were three stakeholders that were mentioned: the government, the Archaeological Survey of India, or we the citizens. Now you have to be careful of not being partisan here. You have to be very open to the idea of sharing responsibilities, and this is what they're primarily looking for as well. So they're looking for a very analytical mind who can think from different perspectives. Now once you're done with the essay writing, you move to the interview. Uh, in the interview, the first question that was thrown at me was, is Facebook acquiring WhatsApp worth it? Now this is not a very recent news, but this is a news that is concerned with what I guess every youth is connected with today. So you have to be very careful of what are the trends with particularly the youth in the country. So I tried to justify it through a few numbers which I had in mind, and they seemed to be pretty pleased with that. The next question that I was asked on was Flipkart. Again, this is something that has always been in the news for the last couple of years, but this is something that is not exactly related to current affairs. So again, one point that stands out here is that you have to be very aware of what is creating buzz in the country. So they asked me the revenue models of both WhatsApp and Flipkart, and they do give you a certain leverage in terms of your knowledge as well, because they know you cannot know everything inside out. So when I was answering, I was extended some help by the panel as well. So if you try and justify your stand, they will come to your rescue as well. The next thing that I was asked was on the automobile sector. So there were general questions like what is the state of the automobile sector in the company, in the country, and which is a better automobile according to you, a manual transmission or an automatic transmission. So what are the advantages of automatic transmission? So they tested my technical part in that aspect. The third thing that they asked me was about the extracurriculars. Now again, they make you fill out a personal information form, and whatever achievements you've mentioned there, make sure that you know them inside out. So the whole interview process lasted around 10 to 15 minutes, and in the end they asked if I would like to ask them any questions. So this is one opportunity that you have to make sure you do not let go of, because many times we do not do our research well on the institutes, particularly institutes like the newer IIM. So make sure that you do your research before going there and ask a very pertinent question like, what is there any difference in the pedagogy between the newer IIMs or the older IIMs, or something that reflects your ability to or the zeal to learn in the future as well. So that's how the interview went, and hope this helps.